What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about my top 5 Web3 blockchain games. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so before we start off with my list of games, I just want to give you a quick idea on what Web3 is. So the Web3 gaming leverages blockchain smart contracts and NFTs. Now it allows players to earn cryptocurrency. Now while play-to-earn games thrive, Web3 gaming faces challenges in scalability and user adoption, and in regulatory uncertainty impacts the growth and the mainstream integration. As you well known, we will start off with Axie Infinity. Alright, so this is Axie Infinity, guys. It offers players a unique adventure with free starter Axies, and each of the Axies featuring distinct abilities and playstyles. So the players can actually enhance their Axies using epic power-ups like runes and charms. Now, with billions of genetic combinations, the possibility for adventure are endless, and AXS staking rewards the holders with newly issued AXS, so allows them to support proposals and helps direct the community treasury. So that is Axie Infinity, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. The next one in our list is Sandbox. So now the metaverse is actually an immersive virtual space where users interact, socialize, and engage in diverse experience through avatars. Now powered by Web3, it actually prioritizes decentralization, privacy, and data ownership. So the key components include the real-time interactivity, you have digital assets, and the virtual economy. So the platform, just like the Sandbox, guys, allows users to customize avatars, trade virtual goods, and participate in virtual events, gaming, and commerce. Now Sand, S-A-N-D, is the utility token for the Sandbox ecosystem. It enables transactions and interactions built on the Ethereum as an ERC20 token, and it has a finite supply of 3 billion and is also used for staking. So you can go ahead and check out their website, guys. You have a lot of information that you could gather about Sandbox here in their website. You even have the capability to click on documentation, which will show you their docs, or the basically like white paper type. You have all the outlines on the left and the context on the right side. That way, you know, you would be able to know what you're getting yourself into. All right, it will be in the description of the video as well. So that is Sandbox, guys. The next one on our list is Decentraland. Now, Decentraland is a decentralized virtual world where users control the platform's future, okay? Now, built on the open source code, anyone can make improvements or host the platforms, which ensures it can't be shut down. So users can own, trade land parcels in Decentraland's marketplace. And while the community's governance decides the platform's direction, creators are the one that are designing the wearables and the emotes, and they are earning from the sales of it. And the community-led events like concerts and game releases take place regularly. So you can go ahead and check them out, guys. You have a lot of information, and this is their docs, guys. You also have their white paper here. If you click on that, it will take you here, and you could download their white paper. That way you could, you know, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. You would know more about who and what Decentraland is. All right, so the next one on our list, guys, this is actually one of, I would say, like, you know, one of the well-known and Web3 NFT card game out there that's currently dominating the NFT card blockchain game space. Now, Unchained is a free-to-play trading card game where players can engage in duels using the fantasy cards. Built on Ethereum, guys, it offers true digital ownership and enables players to earn and trade valuable NFTs. Now, the Gods token fuels this ecosystem, and active staking in Unchained allows token holders to earn Gods rewards by participating in governance and in-game campaigns. So Gods also powers crafting, enabling players to fuse in-game cards into NFTs on Immutable X for full ownership. And I would strongly suggest, guys, that you go ahead and check them out. There's a ton of information. You could try them out because they are free to play. And additionally, Gods grants governance rights, which allows players to vote on the future direction of the game, which ensures a community-driven development both in-game and on-chain. This is actually a very, very immersive, skill-based game that you guys need to go ahead and check out. Really, really good game. All right. So the last but not the least in our list is Illuvium, guys. Now, this is Illuvium, guys. It is an exciting series of fully decentralized RPG and collection games that is set in a stunning fragmented world. Now, players can actually explore vast landscapes, hunt creatures, and capture them for battles or trading. So built as a decentralized protocol, Illuvium provides a AAA blockchain gaming experience, and stakers can actually vote on the game decisions, shaping its future while receiving regular yields and revenue on the distribution. So yield farming rewards stake token holders for their contribution to the Illuvium's ecosystem. And guys, you could go ahead and check them out. There's a ton of information, different games in here. I mean, this is actually a very, very immersive game as well. This has been waited for quite some time already. If I remember it right, back 3 or 4 years ago, back when play to earn was so big, Illuvium was still under construction and they're still trying to build, but they actually didn't expect that it's going to be this big and it's going to be this successful until it has been launched. So you can go ahead and check them out, guys. There's a ton of information that you could go ahead and check out about this one. Make sure to do your own research. So with the video, guys, we discussed what Web3 blockchain gaming is. We have my top 5 play-to-earn Web3 blockchain games for 2024. And you could go ahead and check them out. Stay until the end screen videos. And guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.